In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use arrays in Google Sheets. So arrays allow you to group the values of your cells together, consisting of rows and columns. And if you want to do this in a particular order, you can do so with arrays. So let me show you how to do it. We're going to start. So we have our scattered data right here, which we are going to group together and put in the correct order. So we have our headers right here, which will be our columns, and our rows. Let's get started with our formula. We're going to start with the equal sign, and we're going to be using our array brackets or our curly brackets right here. So we have the columns and the rows. We're going to start with the columns. Now our columns can be separated with commas, same with our rows. So we're going to start with the student name and add in another one with our gender. So we have two columns right here. Now we're going to move on to our rows, and these are going to be separated with a semicolon, like so. Now we're going to select our rows. Now our first range would be our names right here, separated by a comma again, and our gender is just right next to it. Now if we close that and press enter, there we have our data set. So we have our student name and our gender right here. So we can keep on editing our array right here. We're going to keep adding until we finish our data table. So we're going to add another header or another column. So we're going to separate with a comma and then select class level. Now we're going to jump to our rows, separate it again by a comma, and select your range, press enter, and you have added another column to your data set. Let's keep going. Add in another header, comma. Let's select major this time. Jump to your rows, comma, and select your major. Press enter, and there you have it. And for the last one, start with your columns, separate it with a comma, and select extracurricular activities. Go to your rows, again a comma, and our last range. Press enter, and you have completed your dataset where you have arranged everything into your order. And that's the basic principle in using arrays in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.